Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my video. So today, I'm going to show you how to make boat origami. Before we start, we need to prepare a piece of paper with same length for each side. Now, let's start. For step 1, fold the paper into 2. Then for step 2, fold side 1 and 2 to the center of the paper. After that, fold again side 1 and 2 to the above line from the center. Then, for side 1, fold the right corner of the paper to the first folding line. Repeat this step for 2 times. After that, fold the right bottom corner of the paper to the same folding line for 2 times. Then for step 6, fold the left bottom corner of the paper to the same folding line. After that, fold the side 1 also to the same folding line and fold again until the bottom. After that, repeat step 4 until 7 for side 2. Lastly, fold it into 2. Open our origami and pinch the edge of the boat to make it look more nice. That's all from me. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.